Yo, stay focused, man's on a mission. Wavy like the ocean, ain't got time for inhibition. Eyes on a prize, lock it in your vision. Straight up, man, that's gotta make a decision. Stay focused, man.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi. So I didn't have a proper way of starting this video, so these are my flowers that I received on my birthday. Let's do unboxing of everything that I got. So yeah, let me tell you, this time I was loved. Just look at those flowers, baby. And then let's open the gifts. We're going to start with the first gift that I'm going to show you that I was gifted, okay? So yeah, this is from Naivas. Let's see what's inside. And inside there are some sweet chocolates. But those chocolates, I just love them. Yeah, thank you so much for that, my dear. And then there's that Smirnoff. yeah. Yes, okay, I appreciate you, my dear, for gifting me those things. Oh my god, thank you so much, feel appreciated. So this next box was from my friend, and she gifted me the same chocolates. And just look at that, the watch, my dear. My guys, look at that watch. Yeah, it's so amazing, my dear. I'm so happy for those gifts, actually. Honestly, thank you so much. Let's go to another gift. Yeah, that's the next gift. Jamani kupendwa raha. Hey, look at the bag. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this bag, actually. I'm so obsessed. I'll be carrying it to work each and every day. Yeah, I'm obsessed with the bag. And yeah, thank you so much for the bag, my dear. We have another thing. Oh my god, these are my favorite. I love these drinks so much. Thank you so much for the drinks. Imagine those gifts are from one person. Yeah, let's go to another one. Chocolate. Oh my god. Chocolate, my guys. Thank you so much for the chocolates. And we have another gift box in the back. And this bag looks fancy, actually. You can carry it going anywhere. This gift box, I'm literally going to use it for something in my closet. Hey, it looks so fancy, it's so amazing. So let's open it. Wow, voila, we've opened it. So yeah, look at that. I love this keyboard, actually. I had one like that, it spoiled, and now I have another one because I was gifted. And then we have another gift instead of gift box in a gift bag. Let's see what's inside. Oh my god, look at those. Oh, we have a necklace. This one that I'm opening, it's a necklace. Yeah, that's a necklace. It's complicated. It says called amandonini. Oh my god, venye tu inaitanga like imeingiana, so it was hard for me to kutoanisha, but it's a really nice one. I wore it and it's good. And we have another thing. We have some bracelets. There are bracelets. Yes, zamkono. Those ones. And they are 3 of them. I seriously love them. I really love them, actually. So yeah. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for me. Don't forget to do that for me kindly. Yeah. Let's go on. Remember, that gift box is amazing. I can use it to put some things. If you have an idea also, comment, tell me. But honestly, I love it. I love it so much. Let's go. And the flowers. I'm obsessed with the flowers actually. So obsessed with the flowers. Okay. But I love flowers. Yeah, I'm here with my birthday cake, just a transition, and then I bought some ice cream when I was going to cut the cake. This is just a transition. Remember, the video is about opening my gifts, and my birthday I was gifted. Actually, it is written Drama Queen. Guys, tell me why they're writing Drama Queen since to that. Oh my god, these friends of mine. I was gifted this cake and I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I appreciate everyone. I appreciate everyone who's there. Yeah, and the one that gifted me. Yes, thank you so much. So yeah, this is me cutting the cake. It's just something that I'm showing you. I loved the cake. It was so sweet and we enjoyed ourselves eating that cake. Yes, so it is me giving those people that were around, giving them the gift to quote small people. Hi guys, so kuna zile gift sikuwa nimefungua. I'm opening my last gift, my last set of gifts. So for the first gift is the necklace. Just have a look of it. It has some earrings in it. Yeah, so this necklace, it's a set of a necklace and earrings. They are white and silver. They're amazing actually. Thank you my dear for gifting me that. Let's go to the next one. The next one is a bangle. Oh my god, look at that, another bangle. And it's so amazing, the color combination. It made me happy actually. Thank you so much my dear. Unaona nilikuwa nimevaa zote. I wore all of them actually. I had worn the others because I already opened them. And then there's this other gift. I was so eager to see it, so I opened it when I was gifted immediately. I just opened it. Just have a look of it. It's just a dress, an amazing dress. It can be a dinner dress, even if it's longer, but it's really amazing. Honestly, I loved it. Thank you so much for this dress, my dear. Thank you so much. Oh my god, my friends. Yeah. And we have this, the wipes. Oh my god, let's go to another gift. So yeah, this is me looking for another gift. There is this one. The packaging is really amazing actually. And let's see what's inside. We have necklace and some earring. Yeah, we have a necklace and earring. That's the things inside. Oh my god, sorry. I made it for yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's the package and it's amazing. Mliniamulia this time round, mnanipea ma necklaces na earrings. Oh my, lazima nitupe zenye niko nazo sasa. Yeah, then another one, it's in a gift box. Amazing. Oh my god, it's fascinating. I love this. It's a necklace. It has some black and your color ingine apart from silver inaitwa nini? Yeah, that one, that color. It's so amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. I loved it. Thank you so much, my dear friend, for that gift. Mimi nakwambia na appreciate wote. Then there's this gift. It's in a very beautiful gift box. I loved it genuinely. Let's open and see what's inside. Oh my god, look at it. Look at that set. We have first chocolates put in this bag. I love this bag actually. Those chocolates are inside there. And yeah, thank you for these chocolates, all of you that gifted me the chocolates. Thank you so much. And then in the same gift box, we also have a key holder. Just look at that key holder, my guys. Look at it. It's honestly amazing. It's so amazing. And then this one, it's written I love you. And did you know it's a pen? I didn't know it's a pen, but now I know it's a pen. Yeah. And that's everything in that one. So yes, let's go to the last gift. So this is the last gift. Let's open it. Yeah, just showing you how it is parceled, how it looks. So this is me trying to open it. Let me tell you, Maina, ikitu ilinilemea kufungua. Nilikuwa na struggle, honestly. I was really struggling kuifungua. Yeah, but regardless, let's try ndo tujue what's inside. We need to know what is inside. So we opening it, and I saw something looking like a letter there. So yes, let's open and get to see, is it a letter? Yeah, this is me trying the last gum. Finally, we opened it. So here it's a letter. We have a letter, and I'm going to read it with you guys. Notes. It's gonna notes. So tuone kama ni note actually. Let us go sure. Inasema, to my best friends. To my best friend. Hey love, happy birthday mama. You make every moment unforgettable. Your friendship is a gift I cherish with all my heart. I love you so much, Han. Today and every day, I'm wishing you only the best for you, my girl. Happy birthday once again from your bestie, Dr. Brenda. Oh my God. Oh, that's the letter, my guys. Oh my God. Okay, let's now go inside the box and see what's inside. Like, what was the gift that is inside that box? Yeah, anyway, the letter was really amazing. Thank you so much. So let's open this box. We see there's a box inside. Okay, just showing you the box. Showing you the box as I open it. Yeah, just reading there, and yeah, I just eager to see what is inside. So akina kwambia hizi cell tape ni ngumu guys, hizi ma cell tape ni ngumu. Yeah, so at last I made it. I opened it at last. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. You're not eager to see, guys. You're not. Anyway, yeah, you see. So first of all, I tell you, we first see a dress, a black dress. I love black. So this is a black dress. It's so amazing. I fitted it and it is fitting me perfectly. Okay, I've not shown you the video of me fitting them, but it is perfectly. It's really perfect for me. Thank you so much. And then these amazing shoes. Oh my God. Hey, these shoes, they fitted me. Zilikuwa zimenifit kabisa. So yeah, those are my gifts. Guys, I come to the end of my unboxing of all the gifts that I received on my birthday. I love you, all of you who have gifted me. I love everyone who gifted me. There's a friend of mine who gifted me via WhatsApp, via M-Pesa, okay, plus my parents. Thank you so much, guys. I love you so much, all of you. Thank you so much. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Bye bye.